let's start with today's hollow marzipan Easter eggs. Now here I've taken 200 grams of cashew nuts, soaked them for 2 hours, and then I'm going to grind them to a very smooth and fine paste. Now transfer this paste to a bowl. So here is our 200 grams of cashew nut paste. Now I'm going to take an equal quantity, that is 200 grams of icing sugar, 1 egg white, and 1 teaspoon of almond essence. Now I'm first going to beat the egg a bit. So just beat the egg white. Add the egg white to the cashew nut paste. Just mix it in well. And then I'm going to add the almond essence, and I'm going to mix all the 3 ingredients really well together. So ensure that your cashew nut paste is really smooth. It shouldn't have any cashew nut pieces. It shouldn't have any cashew nut, or like there should not be any lumps. It should be a very smooth paste. Now I'm going to transfer this paste to a heavy bottomed pan. Now my flame is not on yet, that is the heat is not turned on yet. So first transfer this paste along with the the almond essence and the egg white in it to a heavy bottomed pan. And now we're going to add the sugar, that is the icing sugar, also to this paste. Mix the two well. And then all we have to do now is just turn the heat on to a low to medium flame and continuously stir this till it becomes, into this real hard kind of paste, that is the marzipan paste. It will come together. It takes about 20 minutes of stirring. So first it will turn into this liquid kind of consistency, and then slowly it starts to harden up and then starts leaving the sides of the pan. So just keep stirring. Use a wooden spoon with a long handle, because this does get a lot, heated up a bit. So just keep stirring it, and then it will thicken about, after 20 minutes it will thicken and become into like one kind of mass and start leaving the sides of the pan. So once that is done, you're just going to transfer it to a plate and you're going to knead it into this smooth dough. Now once you have your dough in place, you're going to add icing sugar to it, a little at a time, and you're going to knead it in this form till it becomes into a very hard kind of dough. So just keep on adding icing sugar. So altogether I added about 4 tablespoons of icing sugar, and then I'm just going to roll it out like this, and I'm going to put it into the egg mold. Take off the excess. Just shape it up a bit. And then I'm going to fill it up with corn flour, and we are going to set this aside for 12 hours to set. So I've done this with the remaining dough. I've used the other egg mold, and I've also used my plastic egg mold like this, and I've set it for 12 hours. That's very important. So fill it up with corn flour and set it aside for 12 hours. Now after 12 hours, just demold it like this and take off all the excess corn flour. Brush off all the excess corn flour, and your hollow marzipan egg is all ready. It comes off very easily from the egg mold. Ensure that all the corn flour is brushed off. And then I'm just going to paint it with a little bit of melted chocolate. I'm using dark melted chocolate. So just brush some melted chocolate. You can melt your chocolate on a double boiler or in the microwave. And then all you have to do, friends, is just, fill it up with some M&Ms or some gems, seal it up, and just decorate it with some lovely icing. That's all. And your lovely hollow marzipan Easter eggs are all ready. I'll leave a link to all my other marzipan recipes, all my Easter egg recipes in the description box below. You can go and check them out. So do try out this recipe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.